In this video, I will show you how to connect GoHighLevel with n8n. So I'll show you all the steps you need to take in order to do this. So what you're going to do first is just open up n8n and create a new workflow. Then in the workflow, as your first step, you need to add a webhook. So just click add first step and search for webhook and select the regular webhook right here. Now from there you can select a path. For example, I'll just name it GoHighLevel. Let's say I want to have this run on a new lead. I'll just name it new lead, but this is just for you to kind of see what it's about. This can really be anything and it doesn't really matter. Now for the HTTP method, you want to go and set it to a post, and then here you will get your link. So go and click on your link and open up GoHighLevel. In GoHighLevel, switch to the sub account you want to connect with n8n, and then go to automation in the left menu. Here go to create workflow and just start from scratch. Now as the trigger, you just want to add whatever you want to have the n8n workflow run on. For example, it could be when somebody submits a lead form inside of GoHighLevel, then you want a certain n8n action to happen with an AI agent or whatever you want to use it for, but you can use any of their triggers such as contact created, form submitted, or a tag added, a note added, etc. So you can see all of them right here. You can also have it happen on a certain event, such as video tracking, number validation. There are a bunch of different options, but one of the most common ones will be contact created, and that's what I'll use. So just select the one you want to do and click save trigger. Now from there click plus, because now as a step you want to add a webhook. So select send data webhook, and then for the method set it to post, and here just paste in the URL you just copied. So then you can also add custom data, but most of the time the standard data will be enough. So if you click on the standard data here, it will take you to their ClickUp page, and here you can see what the standard data entails. So for example, for a contact, it will be the first name, last name, full name, email, phone, tags, address, city, state. You can see a bunch of different stuff. Now you can also add custom fields such as the postal code, country, although some of those will also already be in here, such as country, city, etc. Now you also have this for other stuff such as appointment if applicable, you have a message, a note, workflow, etc. So for me it's the contact created, so it will send all of this stuff, whatever is available to n8n, which for me is more than enough. So now in n8n, what you want to do is just click listen for test event. Now once that's happening, go back to GoHighLevel, click save in the top right, and then from here click test workflow, select a contact, for example this one right here. So remember the email is dani9@gmail.com and click run test. Now go back to n8n and it should then show up here as an action that just happened. So you can see then this shows up. So for example, if I go to the table here, it's a bit easier to see, but now we have the full name, which in this case is Dani, the email Dani9, this is the phone number they added, you can see the tags, their country, all of this has now been imported into n8n, and now here what you can do is just continue this automation. So now you can have, for example, this imported into Google Sheets. You can use any of their available apps, which are a lot of them, so you can just do whatever you want basically with this data. But now you do have the data for the name, the email, and all of that inside of n8n automatically. And you can again also set up other triggers. I just did the contact created, but you can also do a form submitted, a contact tag, etc. So now you know how to connect GoHighLevel with n8n. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.